Which option is available with a trusted master server? Option A. Backup of other master server domains. Option B. Duplications. Option C. Automatic image replication. Option D. Catalog backups. The correct answer is option C. Which user accounts is allowed remote login access directly to the NetBackup appliance shell menu, CLISH? Option A. Admin. Option B. NetBackup CLI users. Option C. Admin and root. Option D. Admin and NetBackup CLI users. The correct answer is option A. An administrator needs to back up clients using LTO tape drives. Which policy setting will perform the backup fastest? Option A. Allow multiple data streams. Option B. Limit jobs per policy. Option C. Media multiplexing. Option D. Use accelerator. The correct answer is option C. What is the image removal behavior for relocated images from a disk staging storage unit when the high watermark is reached during a backup? Option A. NetBackup removes the oldest images until the low watermark is reached. Option B. NetBackup removes images alphabetically until the low watermark is reached. Option C. NetBackup removes the largest images until the low watermark is reached. Option D. NetBackup removes images with the lowest rank data classification until the low watermark is reached. The correct answer is option A.